Hey guys, it's Latana, the Lady Print Boss. I'm working on some stuff today where I did some cool textures and patterns, and I normally do that type of stuff in Corel Draw. But I know that a lot of people have the silhouette cameo, and so you want to be able to do cool stuff too. And the program will come with a few textures, but not that many. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do stuff like this, where you find it at, and how to upload patterns and things. So if we go into my library, there's an area here that says patterns. All of these patterns are patterns that I have uploaded myself. So you just want to kind of go in and you want to be able to upload your own, and then you've got, you'll have designs and stuff like that. Um, so when we go over here, let's say we go over here into our field, which looks like a little color palette. When you type in some text, and I'm just going to select this pattern here where it says pattern. So normally your text would be black or whatever color that you want it to select. So you can just select regular colors. You can also do fountain fills and things like that, and then you can go in here into advanced options and create custom stuff that you want to do. But what I want to do is show you textures and fills. This is called power clipping in Corel, and in Silhouette this is called fills. So I'm going to show you how to do a fill. These are the fills that actually come with the Silhouette. These are the pattern fills that come with it. And I'm going to go ahead and change this font. I like to use big, nice, thick fonts when I'm doing different patterns and things. That one is that's a little bit better. So go ahead and show you how we can adjust the angle of that pattern. We can make it bigger, we can make it smaller, we can go in, we can scale it. There are different things that we can do to make patterns, okay? And the ones here are basic patterns that actually come with the program. But in order for you to do really, really cool stuff, like for example, you may want to see how I'm changing that pattern. So by scaling, you can do all types of cool stuff. Okay, but there's going to come a time when you want to do your own pattern. So if you stroll down through all of these patterns, which are stock with the program, you'll notice you have an area here that says patterns. And this is my stuff. So that I have uploaded. Here is a leopard pattern, and you can scale it down. You can scale it, make it whatever you want to make it. See that? So you can do stuff like that. I also have one for metallics, and this is just an offset that I have back here. So I'm going to take that off, and I'll show you how to do that also. So I've got one for gold. If I have got one for metallic, this is a really, really nice texture here. For example, I'd probably put that on like a ball or something like that if you wanted to do that. And then, of course, you've got things, your leopard prints. And with the leopard print, I'd probably go in and put some type of outline. Now, notice that with this leopard print, I have this outline here, but the outline is so thin, right? So what I could do is, and I'm just going to make it a color that you're going to be able to really see. We'll do red. So I can change this outline point here and make my outline be 2 points, and let's see, that would make it a little bit larger. I'd probably go maybe 6 points, okay? and that would make it even larger. So I could do something like that with an outline. Another thing I could do, I'm going to take that outline off. I could also hit that button, take that outline off. I could go over here to the little star button, which is an offset pattern, which will do an outline. And I can go here to offset, and this would make a big, nice bubble across for me. And move this out of the way. And then I might fill that and go over here and do a fill. I got to select it. Do that fill, and then I'll grab both of these and bring it to the center. Okay, I could do that also. So those are a couple of different ways that we can do patterns. I'm going to go in and show you how to actually get some of these patterns and to upload them into your stuff. Like that one I like. And let's go change that because I just don't like that background, just to kind of do something like that. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to go in and get those patterns. So what I do is I just go to the web and just go in and find whatever you want. However, like this one is really nice. And I'm just going to right click it and save as. I'm going to put it in a folder that I have in Documents, which is called Backgrounds. Let's see if here. So we've got backgrounds. Sorry guys, my husband is always in there talking. You guys can probably hear him in the background cursing up a storm. So for some reason I'm not finding that right there. There it is. So I'm going to put that background pattern here, glitter here, in this folder. And then let's see, let's find what we can do. Let's do like a rainbow pattern. You can do even images. Let's do like a car. Let's find a race car. Okay, I can make a race car. I'm going to show you a race car but as something else. Let's see. That's a nice one. Let's see here. Let's see. I always have the hardest time finding stuff that I really like when I'm doing videos. Oh, let's take this race car. It's just a race car. Save image as, and I really don't want to save that into my background, but I'll just save it in there anyways, just so that I can show you guys. So I'm going to go back to my silhouette. So now here I want to go to the library and I want to import to my library. And I'm going to select the things that I want to import. I want to select this and then I want to select this. Now sometimes those two won't pop up at the same time. So you got to make sure you click in the boxes, but you could hold down the control button and then you could select everything, or you could also do something like this, just grab and drag and select everything. I don't want to do that. I'm going to hold down control because I only need to I wonder, did I already put this one in there? I don't think I put that one. I think I did. Okay, so I'm just going to hit OK. That's going to import it into my library, but it's going to put it over here where my designs are. And if I want to take, this is fine for me to have this pattern here with the race car there, but this pattern I want it to be under pattern, so I'm just gonna drag it, and when it turns gray there, I'm gonna drop it, and so now it's over there with patterns. And go back over here into designs, click on that one. Just want to make sure that I'm clicking on the right one, and when I go over here to fill and drag down to the bottom to where my patterns are, that pattern is right there. And it was a lot prettier when I saw it, and I could change it. I like that going that way, and I could change the angle of the pattern. I think I kind of want it top and down, top and bottom, something like that. And then you could also change the scale of it to make it, and that actually turns it into kind of a gold. So you just got to go in and just play with the patterns. I'd probably put a dark brown or a black up behind that. See what that looks really, really nice. So different ways that you could play with the patterns. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get that race car, and let's just go here to sorry, I need to go into the library, and in the library, where is that car? I don't know what I put the car under. Well, I'll tell y'all what, I don't know what I put that car under. Should have locked it under my favorites, but I don't know the file name, so I'm just going to have to go through here and look for it. These are like all of the files. Come on, car, where is that car? I'm not going to do all that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here to File, and I'm going to go to Merge, and I'm just going to pull that car in to this design, and I think I clicked it. I did. I'm pretty sure that I did. Let me go back and do it again, because sometimes I do move a little bit fast. Okay. Oh, there it is. It's up here up top. And there's actually two of them, so I'm going to delete that one because I don't need both of them. I only need this one. So, say I take this text and bring it over to the front. Just right click it and bring it to the front. And then I put that something like that. Okay. Okay. Now, let's see what I'm going to do. If I can remember, I don't work in this program much, y'all, so I got to remember what it is that I want to do. Select trace area. Nope. I'm going in. I'll find it. I can't think of what I want, but when I see it, I will let you guys know in just a minute. Here we go. Okay. What we're going to do, we're going to crop that. And then that will put that card off inside of that. Which that's not just the best picture of of a car. But what happens is it crops it and it does put it in there. And let's see, if we go back, we might be able to get it, you know, in there a little bit better than, like, for example, if we had, we need to ungroup that. If we had the word car, would probably be better. But you guys get the idea. But that's my little lesson for today on how to do fields and patterns and stuff like that, to where you can do your custom stuff. Go in and let's just take that into that. Okay. Do that really nice and big. Okay. I'm having some problems here. We want to do this car. I'll stretch this car out because I want to know that it's a car. Or we can just go there and you can just crop. And you can do this with anything. You can do that with anything to get that on there, and then you could take this and group it. It would look a lot better if you group. This isn't the best idea of doing what I want to show you, but it will get the job done. Let's just put a fill in there. And then let's just bring all of these back together. Oh, something wasn't grouped there. When that happens, that means that, see? So what I would have to do here is group that first. And then we could select everything. And we should be able to bring it however we want. See, that'll take it there, but what we need to do, that's centering it, and I need to bring it all together. Did I group it all? I did. I grouped it. Wasn't trying to group it all together. I'm just going to go back till I ungroup it. Oh, let me just go here and just ungroup it. Okay. I'm just going to do it the easy way and just put it there. But you get the idea. So that's how you do fields and patterns and make all types of cool stuff. And next video, I will show you how to do text effects in Silhouette Studio. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And if you like the video, please subscribe. Have a good day.